Personal injury. Should I apply for disability benefits? Okay, imagine the litany of different situations that pop in with a personal injury case. You slip and fall in a grocery store. You're rear-ended at a traffic light. Something falls on top of you when you're in the mall. And then you find yourself, you've been injured, you're getting ready to file a lawsuit, and now you have this magical question of asking, should I apply for Social Security? Or more importantly, your attorney might be asking you, maybe you should think about it. And you're asking yourself, what the hell is with Social Security? Why should I even bother applying? Here's the kicker that you need to ultimately ask yourself. And I'm talking to those people who are thinking about it, but I'm also talking to a few people who may be in denial. Listen carefully. If you have an injury, and there's two different types of people here. There are those who have an injury that's going to keep them from doing anything else. And then there's those who have injuries that's just more of a minor inconvenience, but it's just a pain in the backside, but they can do something else. So you need to ask yourself the magical question. Does your condition keep you from doing what you used to or anything else? And will that condition last 12 months or longer? Now, you're not a doctor. I wouldn't expect you to answer that. But if you have doctors you're going to see, ask them for their guidance. Okay? Ask them for your guidance, for you. Because the reality is most people, when they get into a personal injury, they're thinking this is something that's going to fix itself and keep on trucking. But there are times when you really need to ask yourself critically, I've been hurt. Should I give some serious thought to applying for Social Security disability benefits? And I tell people, by all means, roll the dice, give it a shot, but talk to your attorney if you have one to see whether or not applying for Social Security is an option you should entertain. Because depending on the nature of your injury, and I'm not talking about somebody who hurt their pinky toe or something like that. I'm talking about somebody who was injured, and I'm not going to go down all the injuries. I'm not going to say, if you had this injury, you need to apply. No, what I'm going to tell you is this. If you've been injured and you've gotten to the point where you're going to file a lawsuit, ask your attorney, should I think about applying for Social Security? I'm just not sure. Let them give you some guidance. This way you can make sure you can get everything possible, because Social Security can actually help your personal injury claim depending on what it is. So just keep that information in the back of your mind. Look into it first before you write it off.